Have you ever heard anyone say that breakfast is the most important meal of the day? Well, there are lots of good reasons to eat breakfast. Just like how a car is fueled by gas or electricity, food is fuel for our body and can help us feel energized for the day. Eating a nutritious breakfast can help us focus more in school, it can help us feel happier throughout the day, and it can help us have overall good health. So, when we decide what to eat for breakfast, it's important to think about the kinds of food we can choose to fuel our bodies the most. Today, we made rainbow egg bites, so let's talk about why they make such a great breakfast choice. As you can see, these egg bites are packed with colorful vegetables.
You may have heard that fruits and vegetables are very nutritious. That simply means they are made up of lots of nutrients. What exactly are nutrients, you ask? They're essentially the building blocks of food. Fruits and vegetables are packed with nutrients called vitamins and minerals. These little guys are needed in small amounts, but we still need lots of different types. Another important nutrient in fruits and vegetables is fiber. Fiber helps us feel full for a long time. We have more energy to do fun things when our stomachs aren't constantly rumbling. Fiber also helps keep our digestive system healthy, meaning it makes going to the bathroom nice and smooth.
There's another group of important, colorful nutrients found in fruits and vegetables. Have you ever wondered where fruits and vegetables get their colors from? What makes carrots orange or broccoli green? The answer? Plant pigments. These pigments are large groups of colored molecules inside plant cells. Different groups of pigments are responsible for the different colors we see in fruits and vegetables. And many of these plant pigments are antioxidants. So let's break that word down. Antioxidants. Anti means against. Oxidants refers to molecules that, over time, can damage our body's cells. Antioxidants fight these molecules and protect our cells from damage.
All of the nutrients in fruits and vegetables work together to help keep our bodies healthy. Different groups of colors help our bodies in different ways. There are 5 main groups: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and white, brown.
First up, red. Red fruits and vegetables such as tomatoes, strawberries, watermelon, pink grapefruit, papaya, cherries, and red peppers are packed with vitamin A and tons of antioxidants, including vitamin C. These nutrients are very important for eyesight and healthy gums. Vitamin C also keeps our immune system in tip-top shape and helps our wounds heal when we get cut or scraped.
Did you know? Tomatoes and peppers are technically fruit, even though we call them vegetables. According to plant scientists, tomatoes and peppers are classified as berries. This is because fruits contain seeds and grow from the flower of the plant. Tomatoes and peppers check both of those boxes. So do cucumbers, squash, pumpkins, beans, and peas. However, in the culinary world, these foods are considered vegetables.
You might have heard that carrots are good for our eyes. This is because orange and yellow fruits and veggies contain an antioxidant called beta-carotene. Beta-carotene gives plants their orange color. Our body turns beta-carotene into vitamin A, which keeps our eyes and our skin healthy. Sweet potatoes, carrots, oranges, yellow peppers, pineapple, yellow zucchini, squash, cantaloupe, mango, peaches, and apricots are examples of some orange and yellow veggies and fruits.
Did you know cooking red, orange, and yellow vegetables allows our body to absorb more of their antioxidants? This is because beta-carotene is trapped inside plant cells. Cooking helps break down the cell walls, freeing beta-carotene from its trap.
Next is green. Green vegetables are high in calcium and magnesium, which are important to help you keep your bones and teeth nice and strong. Green vegetables are also great sources of folate and some other B vitamins. which are important to help transform the food we eat into energy our body can use. Folate is especially important to help us grow. Green vegetables contain many nutrients that are important for heart health, such as iron, potassium, vitamin K, and some B vitamins. These nutrients help our red blood cells carry oxygen to all the parts of our body so we can stay energized. Today, we use broccoli as the green vegetable, but you can use any other ones like spinach, kale, asparagus, zucchini, bok choy, okra, watercress, and collard greens to name a few. Green herbs like parsley count too. You can also use frozen and canned vegetables. Both are just as nutritious as fresh vegetables and can be stored for much longer. Choose the ones with little or no added salt or sugar.
Blue and purple fruits and vegetables are super high in antioxidants called anthocyanins. These antioxidants are responsible for the blue and purple colors we see. They help protect our brain, help us with learning, and can promote good moods. Examples of blue and purple fruits and vegetables include blueberries, blackberries, dark plums, purple grapes, figs, eggplant, purple yam or ube, and red cabbage.
Last but not least, white and brown. White and brown vegetables may not seem like the most colorful foods, but they have plenty of beneficial nutrients too. White and brown vegetables include onion, garlic, cauliflower, mushrooms, potatoes, daikon radish, and parsnips. For fruits, we've got brown pears, bananas, and dates, to name a few. White and brown fruits and vegetables have a lot of antioxidants that help our immune systems function. They're also a great source of fiber and potassium to help maintain a healthy blood pressure.
Wow, we talked about a lot of nutrients that keep our hearts healthy. Let's revisit blood pressure.
Well, it all starts with the heart. Our heart is a powerhouse pumping machine. All day, every day, our heart pumps blood to every corner of the body, from head to toe. Blood travels through small tubes called blood vessels and makes deliveries to all the cells of our body, bringing them what they need and taking away what they don't. It's an important job, but a tough one. Blood pressure is the force against blood vessel walls as the heart pumps blood. When the heart squeezes and pushes blood into the vessels, blood pressure goes up. When the force of the blood pushing on the blood vessel walls is too high, the heart has to pump even harder, raising blood pressure even more. After a while, high blood pressure could damage the heart. We can help our heart do its job by keeping our blood pressure within a healthy range. After all, our heart beats about 100,000 times a day. What a workout!
So, how can we maintain a healthy blood pressure? One big thing we can do starts in the kitchen. We often use salt in our foods because this adds lots of flavor, but too much salt can raise our blood pressure. We can all benefit from eating less salt and more nutrients that keep our health healthy. And how can we go about eating less salt? Instead of grabbing the salt shaker, we can cook with herbs and flavorful vegetables like the onion and garlic we use today to flavor our dishes. And at the store, look for the salt versions of your favorite foods. They have less salt and still taste great.
Another thing that we can do to benefit our heart health is to cook our own meals more often, like we did here today. Home-cooked meals generally have a lot less salt than pre-made packaged foods and takeout. So let's get cooking.
Let's recap what we learned today. Fruits and vegetables are loaded with nutrients that help our body and brain function. And varying the colors on our plates is an easy way to make sure we're getting a variety of the nutrients we need to learn, move, and grow.
Eating every color every day can be tricky, so try to incorporate 2 or 3 different colored fruits or vegetables at every meal, and at least one at every snack. Remember, frozen fruits and vegetables count too.
So get creative. Have fun in the kitchen. Mix, match, and customize your plate to include colorful fruits and veggies at every meal. Not sure where to start? why not switch up the veggies you use in your egg bites the next time you make them? And of course, have fun with it.